everybody, game time. Who's excited for opening day? I know I am. I can hardly wait. I'm gonna watch baseball all day. So opening day just released 2019. As you know, it's kind of a lower value version of regular Topps with opening day logo. It's interesting though in that, you know, you get some different inserts, some different parallels, some, you know, different stuff. The price point is, you know, kind of geared towards younger collectors, which is very nice. You can get a box. Well, I pre-ordered this box and it was just like $25-ish. So nothing too pricey. Fun little break. Full box. Like more than full. 36 packs. So this is going to take a minute. But that's okay by me. Let's open this baby up. Card shop style. If I can shove it in there without messing up the cards. Ooh, there we go. Hang on. I did all that for nothing. There we go. Alright. Let's sit you down and get into this. Wow, these packs feel very light. These cards are very thin stock. Alright, there's the look, just like 2019 Topps, but with opening day logo. Because there are so many cards in here, I'm not going to read every name. Just a few, like Andujar. There's Devers. Looks like we do have a Chris Archer parallel of some sort, blue, and it is not numbered. It's got a date here, March 28, 2019. I'm not sure exactly what that signifies. There's 150 Years of Fun, Hank Aaron. So that appears to be an insert. Dakota Hudson rookie. Alright. There's Albies. Polanco opening day, Detroit Tigers. Nice shot there. And Toussaint rookie card. Here we have, what is this? The Bobblehead Museum. Team Traditions and Celebrations. That's kind of cool. That is an insert. Who holds another 150 Years of Fun, Sandy Koufax. Urias rookie. Acuna and Glaber, two of last year's hot rookies. 150 Years of Fun, Mr. Gary Carter from the Expos, and Dansby Swanson. Mr. Met. Ohtani. I need to read up and check on the current status of Ohtani. He's so good, not just for the hobby, but for the game, that I hope he's back sooner than later. Acuna, 150 Years of Fun. Just a Sheffield rookie. Keller rookie. Another Benintendi, which makes me wonder, are there short prints or variations here? That Benintendi. Wasn't that Benintendi that I called out? Not too far back. No, I think it was Dansby Swanson. That's what I'm thinking of. I don't think there are variations in this. I'll have to check, double check just to be sure though. I don't think I bought this last year, so I really don't remember. Opening day Blue Jays. It'd be cool if they did have Nolan Ryan, 150. Bryce Harper. Kikuchi. You know, I pulled the redemption, his autograph redemption out of 2019 Donruss. I did not realize, I was kind of joking about him being as hot as Ohtani. I didn't realize at the time that he actually is kind of hot. The hype around him actually does exist. Ernie Banks, 150 years. Because that redemption is selling for quite a bit on eBay. Who knew? Not me. Rowdy rookie. Opening day Braves. Dahl. Conforto. Josh James rookie. The A's mascot. Michael Kopech rookie. Juan Soto. Should be a good season for him, we think. He definitely seems to be a stud. $150 years, Ty Cobb. Man, what do they do to his teeth? Wow. Looks like he's been using that charcoal toothpaste. Matt Kemp, Yelich. Here's another. Oh, sweet. One of the blue parallels of Soto. March 28th. So, okay, so this is dated this. Is that actually, that must be opening day this year, the 28th. Ted Williams. Okay, I double checked. Yep, 28th is opening day. That doesn't count the international games that'll be played. I think the day before that. All right. So, you know, speaking of that, these are a really cool way to remember, you know, have memories of opening day. Those parallels are. That's really cool. Team traditions and celebrations, the Liberty Bell at Citizens Park. Oh, come on. 150 years, Babe Ruth. Chris Bryant, opening day Dodgers. Mascot for the Texans. Mike Trout, 150. So far, there's not a lot in here. A lot of those 150 year, a lot of the opening day team photo type deals. And the only parallel I see so far is the blue. Put the odds on here. See what else we might expect. I know this stuff isn't as loaded as regular Topps, but yeah. Base card parallels, opening day edition 1 and 13. Opening day edition 1 of 1. Printing plates. 150 years of fun 1 and 2. Mascots, I've been passing those up 1 and 4. Opening day 1 and 7. Rally time 1 and 104. 1 and 403. Socket to me 1 and 804. Dugout peaks 1 and 2,560. There are base card image variation inserts 1 and 669 packs. Autographs, a tough pull at 1 and 34,920. Mascot autographs, relics 1 and 984. There's mascot relics, diamond relics, mascot autograph relic, and those are all extremely tough pulls. So there are other inserts, but the ones, there's Tom Seaver, they are extremely tough to pull, and I probably will not pull one out of this box, but we'll see, maybe. Reds. I'll never forget opening a box of what was the Topps did some version of this, a cheap version of football anyways. Jackie Robinson. It's not opening day, of course. It was something else. It was like a cheap box, like super cheap. And the autograph odds were like 1 and I don't know, 20 something thousand. Not only did I pull one, it was oh my gosh, I just had a complete blank. Oh, Odell Beckham, and it was a 2014 Topps product, so it was his rookie year autograph. I couldn't believe I pulled that. I mean, I was fully expecting to get like nothing out of there, really. Just wanted to open it for fun. There's Jeter. He's got nice teeth. Yeah, it was crazy. And last year, seems like last year I pulled a good, no, it wasn't this, it was the other inexpensive product, the crap, I can't remember anything today. Anyways, there's Pedro Martinez. What was it? It's not called Ballpark. What was that called? That other inexpensive product. Anyways, I pulled an Ozzie Albies out of that. What was that called? That's going to drive me nuts. I can picture the box. I can picture the packs. I know you guys know what I'm talking about. The boxes were priced like this, like 25 bucks, 30 bucks. Not opening day. I keep wanting to call it Ballpark something. Oops, looks like we have another parallel. And it is Kopech rookie. Sweet. My parallels have been pretty good. And then there's Ichiro, 150 years. I'll try to remember to look that box up and post it when I post this video. That's going to make me crazy trying to think of that. Marlins. Aaron Judge. Trying to think of find the football box too, just so I can complete my actual story. I know everybody's like, yeah, great story. You don't even know the name of the product, moron. I just don't have the best memory. Alright. Utah Street, Baltimore Orioles, Jake Bowers rookie. Ripken, 150. Mascot, Blooper. Blooper. Last pack. 150, Jim Palmer. He was handsome. And Laureano rookie. That is it. As you can see, you get a ton of cards. And it's just a fun little break. Definitely good for kids, but no harm in us older collectors opening it too. Alright, that's it. I've got some more new stuff coming. I've got all kinds of... This is a busy month for new releases. Of course, the card companies seem to be pumping out these new releases faster than ever before. It's kind of hard to keep up, but April's not quite as busy as March. There's lots of stuff this month. So, and I'll have it, just about all of it for you, all except for the crazy expensive stuff. Okay, hope everybody's doing well. I'll be back on my next break soon.